Work it.
6.
Now step
7,
out and jab.
8.
We go
1,
jab.
2,
Jab it.
3.
Burn it.
7,
Burn it.
8.
Let's go.
1.
Burn it. Keep those legs moving.
7,
Now hammer fist.
1, 2.
Come on.
3.
Hammer fist.
4.
One more.
1, 2.
Here we go.
3.
Are you ready?
4.
Knee.
5, 6.
Ready?
7.
Let's do it. Go.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7.
Pump those legs. Go.
Again.
1,
That's it.
2,
Feel the burn.
3,
Remember, push
4,
your butt into the
5.
floor.
Hey.
1, 2.
Work it.
3.
Come on.
4.
Work it.
5.
Work it.
6.
Work it.
7.
Other side. Get the arm out.
6.
Come on.
Back.
Come on.
7.
Explode.
5.
Don't you explode.
6.
Are y'all ready?
7.
Are you ready at home?
8.
Let's go.
1,
Pump.
2.
1, 2. Don't hop.
3.
Pick your knees up.
5, 6.
Don't hop.
7.
Pick those knees up.
3, 4.
Tiny.
5.
Look forward, guys. Keep your eyes up.
1, 2,
3.
4.
Work it.
5, 6, 7.
Change sides. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Legs, legs, legs.
2,
Come on.
3,
Work it.
4.
Cross it.
5, 6.
Good job.
7.
Now back. We go. Back.
2.
Back.
3.
Back.
4.
Work it.
5.
Work it.
6.
Work it.
7.
Go.
8.
Work it.
1.
Work it.
2.
Work it.
3.
Work it.
4.
Work it.
7.
Work it.
8.
Go.
1.
Pump it.
2.
Pull it.
3.
Pull it.
4.
Pull.
5.
Go.
6.
Go.
7.
Do it again.
8. 1.
That's it.
2.
Come on.
3.
Work it.
4.
Work it.
5.
Work it.
6.
Work it.
7.
Yummy. Good job. Pull.
1.
Pull it.
2.
Pull.
3. 4.
Pull it.
5.
Come on.
6.
Give me some more.
7.
Give me some more.
7.
I want you to really feel the cross grain. You're gonna
Yes,
feel
sir.
those abs like they're twisting together. But I want you to do this. Really give me some energy here. Explosion, explosion. You're gonna do this.
Yes, sir. 8.
Ready?
One.
Come on, girlfriend.
2.
Don't let it go.
3.
Don't let it go.
4.
Don't let it go.
5. 2.
Pump it.
3.
Pump it.
4.
Pump it.
5.
Pump it.
6.
Pump it.
7.
Pump it, girlfriend.
8.
And go.
1.
Jump.
2.
Jump, Peter.
3.
Get up there.